Hi, I'm Sherry Barrett. I'm your YouTube line dance instructor. Today I'm going to be going over the line dance Miles on It. We're going to turn and face 12 o'clock here. The weight is on our left foot, and it begins with 2 kick forwards. At the club you'll see front, side, but the choreography is front, front. So that's how I'm going to teach it. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster step. Walk forward, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, vine right, touch, side, drag back, rock, recover, V-step, out, out, replace together, quarter right turning jazz box, cross, turn, side, close. Miles on It with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster step, forward, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, vine right, side, behind, side, side, drag, back, rock, V-step, out, out, in, jazz, turn a quarter, and kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster forward, walk, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, and we restart here in the dance. There are 2 restarts. Here's one of them, so I'm going to go ahead and restart. Kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster forward, walk, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, vine right, side, behind, side, side, drag, back, rock, V-step, jazz box, turn, and kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster forward, walk, 2, 3, kick, back, and restart. Kick, kick, coaster step, kick, kick, coaster forward, walk, 2, 3, kick, back, vine right, side drag, back rock, V-step, jazz turn, and we're ready to go again. That's how the dance goes, including the restarts you're going to hit. Hope you enjoy Miles on It as much as I do.